It's Lifestylediyw. Don't forget, life starts with you. Thank you for watching Flipping Decor. We are going to be doing an easy, simple Dollar Tree flower centerpiece DIY this week. But first, like, comment, and subscribe. And also hit that bell to make sure you get notified when all my videos are uploaded. So let's get to it. You only need a few items to make this centerpiece. And it is super easy, super cost effective, $4 total. Make sure you utilize flowers that you already have in your home. You can use real flowers, fox flowers, whatever you need. It doesn't take much to complete this look. So I simply just painted with acrylic paint the candlestick holder and the two bowls. I then allowed it to dry and glued it with E6000 and hot glue. I first glued the bottom and I turned the candlestick upside down. And then I glued the top of the bowl directly on top and I let that dry. So hey guys, I told you I was making this centerpiece, and I took the handles off of one of the potted planters I made and I painted them white from Dollar Tree, and I wanted this to have handles on both sides, so that's what I did. I'm gonna just add the other handles to the side and then we'll have two handles so we can pick this up. Here's how I use the centerpiece in my window in my family room. Shouts to the winner of the Mom's Day giveaway on Instagram. Here's the gift that she will receive this week coming up. Thank you for entering. Hey guys, and make sure you tune in every time by hitting like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And make sure you hit that bell and subscribe to all my YouTube videos if you can. Thank you so much.